Nuremberg at the Interlift 2026. For those of you who haven't had the possibility to visit us here personally, I'm more than happy to show you today our latest innovation, the PicoPorte, which was developed from the development department within the course of the last year, based on the customer requirements, and you, especially as our dealer, looking for a product with a lifting height up to 1 meter and the possibility of not needing a pit and not needing a long access ramp, but only, and if we can take a closer look now probably at the ramp, we speak here of a ramp of only 170 millimeters in width. And as I said before, no pit is required. So just watch closely me going up the platform now. We have a platform height of around 6 centimeters. So in the moment I'm going on the platform, we can now, we can see on the phone of my colleague the buttons for the Bluetooth app. And now we're moving up with the Bluetooth control buttons. Of course, we also have the possibility using a remote control. So this is already known to the most of you. Obviously, there is no cabling, there is no fixed control unit required, all with the remote unit. You can see here the version which is standing here with a lifting height of 0.5 meters. It has, of course, the emergency button equipped. And, of course, for those of you who are currently wondering, how does it actually work for a person in the public who wants to use not a remote control, but a fixed unit? Of course, also that is possible to install here a fixed remote control for public use. And don't be afraid. I'm going to do a short test now, showing you how stable this ramp actually is. So even though the customer is trying to fall down, it would hinder him and prevent any possible failure. And you can see it's even wide enough for me to turn around. Let's go down again. You can probably see on the side already the LED lighting. This, of course, is possibly all colors which you desire. And we also have here a logo, which currently is the Ascendor S. But also here you have the possibility to use any kind of logo, your dealer logo, to do some marketing for your own interest, obviously. Yeah, that's basically it. Some key features which I want to mention here and highlight once again. Speed. You can already experience the speed is very fast. So we speak here of 0.07 meters per second. So that's around 5 to 6 times faster than other competing products on the market. It's chain driven. So we have one motor similar to the PicoPorte. We have one motor in the center between the rails. And then we have a chain pushing up the platform on each side. Further to that, it's very, very easy to access as a service guy, as a maintenance guy, the control unit, which I'm not going to open now, but basically it's all hidden here in between. So no need from the side to open it. That's not necessary. You simply open everything here in between. And we take one closer look here. And many of you who know Ascendor products will now say, oh, I know that. Yes, that's the known control board, which we use for PicoPorte for platform stair lift. And now let's finish it for day and turning it off. That's it. Turning off the PicoPorte. And I wish you and everyone who was following us today a great evening, a great day. And in case you're interested in this product, please call your key account manager, call Ascendor. We're more than happy to provide you with more information on that new product, PicoPorte.